and go.
First 50 seconds completely programmed to end autonomous 54-84 in all of the robots on this field crossing that black taped line. They're hoping to score a game piece somewhere on the field of play to get that ranking point threshold. 461 Westside Boiler Invasion successfully placing 2 of those game pieces, just hoping to sneak into 3. They're successful. 7 points for each of those. Red Alliance still able to perfectly place a couple of those around the field of play. The remaining 2 minutes and 50 seconds is all teleoperated. Human players driving the robots that they're to build over the last 13 weeks. The remaining 2 minutes will decide the fate of these teams as they try to go for those ranking points. 3 for winning the match is definitely the most impressive, but there's plenty available for filling up the reef. 5 game pieces on each of those level, and for their work in the autonomous and end game period. The remainder about 100 seconds. Scores currently 57-52 in favor of the Blue Alliance. Only a few points differentiate these 2 teams, so they will be neck and neck, hand in hand for most of this event. 74-17-47, Harrison Boiler Robotics picking up a game piece from their human player station. Their double slanted stick design allows them to precisely pick up those game pieces and then take them over to the reef for that scoring opportunity. 44-85 TriTech Robotics successfully descoring that algae, and they're going to go ahead and grab that algae behind them off the ground and then score it into the reef. Getting rid of those algae will prevent you from getting stuck, just like 461 was just a few moments ago. Team 447, Team Roboto, hoping to pick up a game piece from their human player. A lot of teams manipulating, changing their robot designs from the previous events to add in that simple stick for grabbing onto this coral, even if they're focusing on algae in the past. 54-84 Wolfpack, hoping to score a game piece now in the top part of their reef, worth 5 points for Alliance. Both teams making good progress towards that ranking point threshold. Blue Alliance 3/4 of the way there, just a few game pieces shy. 44-85 successfully scoring into the top part of their barge. That was TriTech Robotics. Now heading over to the opponent's side, picking up game pieces there and now scoring them for their Alliance, quickly getting rid of all the algae available on the field of play. As we near the 20-second mark, we'll hear that sonar ping, which teams will start heading their way over to those cages to get elevated off the ground. The longer the chain, the more points they'll gain. 42-72 Maverick Robotics getting lined up, having a little bit of difficulty there. 447 Team Roboto just about the same. 461 latched on and ready to climb. Just a few seconds remaining. Teams getting elevated off the ground. All 4 just into the nick of time. We'll just see how those scores total up here at the end of qualification match 9. Tight throughout the entire duration. Ahead in that end game period, 156. The Red Alliance is 149. The difference there in the barge. Blue Red Alliance trying to make up with that algae, but they were just shy. Blue Alliance going to get all 6 of those available ranking points for a unicorn match. Narwhal, if they're in the seas. 3 for winning the match, 1 for the autonomous and the end game period, and the highly sought after reef point. Red Alliance not walking away empty-handed. Rank point wise, they're going to get 1 for their work in the barge.